What's poppin', YouTube? Today we're doing a behind the scenes. We're going night fishing with my bros. Driving to my brother's house right now. Today we'll be using the Sony Fx3. So like I was saying, if you go check out my little hunters, that's me filming my brother guys, my Sony Fx3. If you look at my Hawaii fishing episodes, that's just me with a GoPro on a tripod. I try not to bring my good camera out when I'm fishing because I don't want to get my camera all fishy. These wild pigs are here, boys. Welcome to Hawaii. Right off the back though, I gotta turn around and go back home. I forgot my headlamp in my other car. When you're going night fishing and recording, I'm gonna need one light. Oh, it's part of the show, dog. I was so excited charging my batteries, getting my cameras ready. I forgot my headlamp. Ole.
Second cast. Soaking wet.
Fishy to the
I have to
left.
change shirt. No, guaranteed. To fucking change shirt.
Fuck
and
me.
all.
Holy shit.
But last one you got cut bait there. No coolie. Yeah.
I know you watched the video called fucking they knew you on the dumb shit.
I seen that.
You see that?
We're stuck on the front. That's
Oh god, no, cut me.
Oh, shit, how much you did. Plus two, when not that he came, everything was finished. Not finished, no.
Yeah.
So the name was a big difference from this morning.
We gotta be fast acting with this guy's dogs. They're moving.
That's what the Barcelona on this shit. I know. I think Ricky went in there one time. Ricky went in and I was like, fuck, I can't make this. Now it's even more easy when you go up that big hill.
We'll try to build some scenes today. So the Sony Fx3, it is water resistance. Now we got a wave cover us. You can't really see it though, but we did get hit. We did get hit, dog. But it's saying it's water resistant, so we're not too worried. But we don't want it to happen again, you know what I mean? Been here around 2.5 hours. So the challenging part about this is you never know when the fish is going to bite, so you got to keep that camera on. We got that V-mount battery, that BP95. Last time we was out here, it lasted around 4 hours. Today we did bring back up Sony Fx3 batteries just in case that battery die out. So man, I'll highly recommend these batteries right here. 4 hours, camera on. You know, the same battery you could turn off and on your camera, but you will miss that shot, man. That's one of the hardest things about filming fishing is you never know when it's gonna hit. I don't trust using a tripod when I come out here. So it's handheld the whole night, dog. It's that bat killer. Bro, this Sony Fx3 is unbelievable. The low light on this bad boy. I do use my headlamp to capture the fisherman, but bro, this Fx3 low light. I'm using the Fx3 with a Sigma 24-70 Sigma art lens, man. I got my aperture at 2.8. We're shooting at 24 frames per second. So we do, baby. We're out here hustling.
Oh, you got some monsters, eh, dog?
It's obvious.